What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Ohwowryanwtf. Like you said before, I can't say the whole thing, but I wish I could. So today we're going to be reviewing the 997H. Yeah, 997H. I actually bought two pair. I bought this white and teal, this one in a black and purple one, and I'll show it. They are, to me, the top 5 comfortable pair that I bought, and I am wishful and hopeful that they do come out with new flavors of this shoe and see where that goes. When you think about this shoe, you think about the dad shoe, you think about the barbecue cookout, you think about the orthopedics. What does that come to mind? You think of New Balance. But however, New Balance actually created a shoe called the 997H, and the pair that I bought, because I fit a size 10 in men, I was able to get a bigger size in women, which was 11.5, 12. And today we're going to be talking about that. These were super affordable. So again, I want to repeat myself. If you are a student at a 4-year, you are able to get a 15% discount on your entire purchase, or specifically on that shoe. If there are multiple occasions, because no one knows, well, I believe no one knows about it and they're just late to the party, that people think 997s in general are super expensive, which they are. But in the comments below, let me know what you think. Would you rather have this shoe in a different flavor? What are your thoughts on the New Balance Reward brand? Yeah, on the black shoe itself, instead of you have this type of patent leather material on the New Balance logo on the side panel, and on the white pair you actually have a stitched in New Balance logo, which you can tell the difference of what shoe is what. But again, either way works. This is a low top, but again, I recommend do go and shoe to size if you do get your pair. Yeah. My personal thing about this shoe is that you could basically beat the dog shit out of them and not have to worry about, like, oh, I gotta pay it like extreme resale amount, oh, they're gonna sell out. No, there's multiple colors, not only in this women's shoe, but there are men's shoes that are pretty cool. But so in my opinion about this shoe specifically, this pair is not only an entry-level shoe, but you could basically beat the dog shit out of them, because you don't have to worry about the creasing, because the whole mesh and aesthetic or some type of thing around it where you think about orthopedic shoes, the dad shoe, it's big and bulky. But no, this actually has a more sleeker design, and I really like it. Super lightweight, and you could basically wear it with anything. And in my opinion, I would rather pick this up if I had it known earlier. But again, I'm just late to the party. Would you wear New Balance after watching this video? Would you cop pairs that I have? I do hope after watching this video you find this video more helpful. I will link the shoes in the description below, and if you wanted to buy these shoes, like I said. So hopefully I changed your perspective about New Balances.